Hey, how are you doing? Good morning. I'm Amber Hopkins. I'm Punk Rock Earth Mother. Why did I just clap? I don't know. I'm excited. We're going to have a great time today. We're going to talk about some acne gel. We're going to make it ourselves like rock stars because that's the way we roll, right? I have got you a great recipe today. Really simple. The recipe is a couple of essential oils and some aloe gel. Do you have aloe gel in your house? When you buy aloe gel, make sure you look for the ingredients because some of them have a lot of additives because it needs a preservative, right? Usually. This one, yeah, has a little bit of preservative in it. The less the better, okay? You have to, because they have to sell it with preservative in there, unfortunately. So, you ready to make some aloe vera gel with some essential oils for our zits? Okay, this is like a spot treatment. So when you get a little bit of a zit or something weird or rashy on your face, you can use this. It's gonna help a lot, okay? Tell me how your day is going. So what are you doing today? Are you super busy at end of school or is it just me? If you're super busy, press a 1 down there. I am like out of my mind busy. Like they keep adding stuff too. They're like, oh, just come tomorrow afternoon. Like we all have time in the afternoon to come to school and visit, right? I'll just stop everything that I'm doing and just go to school, right? Ugh. Anyway. Let's not talk about that. Don't get me on my rant, okay? So, what you're gonna need is some kind of I'm gonna use mine in a roller ball. You can use it in a flip top cap too. I like roller balls because they're really easy for spot treatment, right? You can just roll it right on whatever happens on your face. You need a 1 ounce roller ball though. Or you can half this recipe. This is for 1 ounce, but you can half this recipe to make it one of the bigger bottles, the 15 milliliter bottles, like this size, okay? If you want. So either way, you buy a roller ball or you use one of your old bottles, the 15 milliliter size, and you can then buy little roller caps on Amazon. Comes with a cap and a little roller ball. Really easy, okay? So what you're gonna do is if you're using a pre-made or a bottle that you bought, you just pop the top off. I would recommend a dark bottle. Don't be like me and buy a clear one because some of the oils can go rancid or they hit the light and they don't work as well, okay? We want to avoid that. So get a darker bottle, a color like a dark blue or a brown, those are better, okay? Anyway, so you take this bottle and you want 1 ounce of aloe vera gel, okay? Mine is a concentrate, so it's a little bit more liquid than yours is probably gonna be. So you just fill it right up, 1 ounce, right here, okay? Then you want 5 drops of patchouli. Now, patchouli is good for inflammation, which is why it's going to help your acne. It's good for anxiety. It reduces bacteria, which again would help with your acne because sometimes acne can be bacteria caused, right? It's astringent, so it will dry up the zit, and it also is helpful with healing. And you can even use it for wrinkles. I know, patchouli is amazing. I was like anti-patchouli before, and now I'm not because it's awesome. So you're going to put 5 drops of patchouli in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 drops of lavender. Now you guys have heard me talk endlessly about lavender, but it calms your mind, calms your body, calms your digestion, and it also can calm your skin. That is amazing, lavender. You are a rock star. Also good for pain. So it's just, that's why it's helpful for this because it is going to help heal your skin. So 5 drops lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now 5 drops of tea tree. Now again, we've talked about tea tree germs. Tea tree is a badass for germs. Reduces microbes. Gives confidence. Look at that. Emotional healing. We love that. Headaches and colds. We use tea tree. So this is why it's going to help with the inflammation and the germs, again, or the bacteria that we get when we have it as it. So 5 drops of tea tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the last one is interesting. It's a lemon oil. Now remember, lemon oil, citrus oils can be phototoxic. So you want to avoid more than 12 drops in 1 ounce of carrier. So that's a lot, okay? So if you're going to do the 15 milliliter, this calls for 3 drops, so just do 1 drop of lemon oil, okay? Just to be careful about that phototoxicity because it can cause you to burn. It can also cause, it's even being linked to skin cancer down the road, okay? So be really careful with that. So just 3 drops of lemon oil, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now this is gonna smell amazing too, so you could wear it as a perfume or a deodorant. Super fun. And then you just take it and pop your little dropper top in there, put the cap back on, you're set to, is that the wrong one? Yeah, you're all set. Acne Zit Gel. I love it. If this can help you, give me a 1 or a heart in the comments and share this video because I would love to help some more people. Thank you for watching, and I love you, and I will talk to you later. Bye.